Hey everyone, I'm Jesse, and welcome to my quick unboxing of my Ledger Nano S, which I just got today. I got into cryptocurrency just a few months ago. I'm still very much a crypto noob, although I've done a ton of reading about it and watched a lot of videos. Follow this guy on YouTube called Box Mining. He's really cool, awesome videos. I don't have a ton of crypto. I don't have a ton of money invested in crypto. I'm not a rich guy, but I've got enough at this point that I thought it'd probably be a good idea to finally get one of these. Hardware wallets are the most secure way to store your funds, as opposed to a hot wallet, like software wallet on your phone, or even worse is leaving it on an exchange. So I got this directly from the main website, which is in France, and that was the cheapest way for me to get it here in Canada. You can buy them through third-party sellers on Amazon.ca, but they actually cost quite a bit more. So yeah, so very cool. Ledger Nano S cryptocurrency hardware wallet. Not really much to see on the other side there. Okay, cool. Really nice packaging. Okay, well, pretty light. Ledger. Yeah, okay, there you can see it. And we flip it open. Cool, so there's the little screen. If you can see that, kinda, sorta, and the two buttons on the top, which you can maybe or maybe not see. I don't know. Cool. All right, so then let's check out the accessories, which I don't think there's much. I think it's, oops, my wife's Kakashi pop just knocked down. Okay, so here's an instruction manual, I guess. Okay, so here's your card to write down your recovery phrase, which the device generates for you randomly. And yeah, a little get started card. And then in the box, we've got, oh, I guess this is like a little strap to carry it, although I don't plan on really carrying it anywhere. Oh yeah, okay, so you can wear it around your neck, I guess. Cool. And then we got a key ring as well. And here's the USB cable to hook up to your computer, laptop, whatever. If it'll focus, well, it doesn't matter. You've seen a USB cable before. I will make another crypto video very soon. When I first got into it, before I started holding or hodling, I wanted to buy a little bit of stuff with it, just to use it as a currency, to see what cool stuff I might be able to buy. And I did buy some cool stuff with it, so I'm going to make a video about that. Maybe today, we'll see. So anyways, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and if you have, thank you for being a subscriber. Thanks very much for watching, and see ya.